Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Appychip. In this video, we are going to learn how to create iOS provision profile. For this, we will first create the certificate signing request, then the certificate, and finally we will create the app identifier and the provision profile. So let's get started with this. First, open KeychainAccess because we need to generate the certificate signing request. In KeychainAccess, go to Certificate Assistant and request a certificate from Certificate Authority. Now here you need to put your email address, your name, and then click on Continue. Now you need to specify the path where you want to save it and give it a name, and we are saving here it on desktop. So as you see on the top right corner, it is saved. Now we need to open a browser and go to the developer account, the Apple developer account. Here go to developer.apple.com. In this we need to go to certificate identifier and profiles because we are creating the provision profiles. We need to create the certificate identifier and then provision profile. So you need to choose the option certificate identifiers and profiles. We have created the certificate signing request. Now we will generate the certificate using that request, and then we will create the identifier and then the profile. So here we are. Now we need to create a certificate, so click on plus button. Here you can choose it for distribution to publish it to the App Store, or it could be Apple developer account for the development purpose. Here like we are using iOS distribution to publish it to App Store. Now here you need to choose the file which we have created for the certificate signing request. So click on choose files, and we store it on desktop. Select the file and then click on continue. Now you can download the certificate. So here we are downloading the certificate. It will be downloaded, and click on the certificate and just add it. Now you can go to all certificate. Here we have the certificate which we have created just now. We will create the identifier now. Click on plus button, and then we need to create the app IDs. So that is the first option here, and then click on continue. Here you need to provide a description for your app ID. So here let's keep it like demo app ID, and then you have to specify the bundle ID. Bundle ID could be explicit or wildcard. So explicit can be used for only one application, and the wildcard can be used for multiple application. So here you can specify it like com dot something. Here we will use com.demo, and we will choose here like wildcard 1. So to have wildcard you can put a asterisk sign. So we are using com.demo and so on. So here asterisk sign means it's a wildcard. Then we will click on continue. Now here we need to confirm, and here we have our identifier. Now we need to create the profile, and you can also add devices, but we are not doing that right now. Let's click on plus icon to create the profile, and here you can choose the distribution or development. Here we are using the distribution one, and for the App Store, so please select that and then click on continue. And here you need to select an Apple ID, so select it from here which we have created, that is demo app ID, and then click on continue. Here you need to select the certificate, select it and click on continue, and give it a name. Give your provision profile a name and make sure it's unique within your account, and then you can download. So here is your provision profile which we have generated. So this is the way you can generate your provision profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing.